Welcome to another episode of AdAdventure. Here again with Kat, can't get rid of her.
No.
She keeps turning up. So yeah, we were supposed to be going kayaking today, and we thought because of the bank holiday it was going to be rammed, so it spoils all the tranquility, whatever. So we've come to the Monkey Forest here in Trentham, apparently. So enjoy the show. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you in a while. Woo! Oh, mate. One of the rare species of monkeys that only Trentham has. As you can see, they lie together, facing away from the people to make sure they are safe. We are very lucky to have this moment. Oh, monkey! Past a kid, and we just tried to encourage him to go for a walk at the top to hide away from his parents. So, probably not the best thing to do, but it was funny. What a day! What a day! We saw some hippos as well.
True story.